Hi ladies, Christine with Essentially Styled here, and today I want to come to you to talk about our swerves and large U-pins. And this is kind of going to be a shop my stock. I'm going to show you what I have available, some that are available on the website, but these are ones that I have. And stay tuned for the perfect Mother's Day gift or a graduate gift that is coming up. We've got a great combo pack that would be ideal for that. So if you do shop with me, make sure that you stay tuned for that. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, make sure that you connect with me if you don't already have a Lilla Rose stylist, and we can get you, we can get connected so that you would be able to shop my stock. So, because I do that through my kind of VIP customer group. And this is where you are now. So we're going to talk about U-pins, actually the swerves, and talk about the evolution of a U-pin. But again, make sure you stay tuned to the end for the ultimate Mother's Day or graduate gift. So when the U-pins started, they came out, or the swerves I should say, they were just the very simple. We did have the two sets of U-pins with the two prongs that you use, which are amazing. But then they came out with this, and at first we saw it and we were like, what? I don't think anybody's going to like that as much as I do the others. We were wrong. These are amazing. There is a slight curve to them. In the signature thing about the swerve is that they have this hourglass shape. And it has such a secure, lightweight hold. If you see my curls, I'm not wearing any Lilla Rose right now because I went to sleep in one of these last night. And I get these really great beachy curls. So I'm still going to take advantage of those while they last. But that's what I will do oftentimes before a show, because I'm putting my hair up and down constantly all day. I will go to bed the night before with damp hair and one of these and just a simple wrap bun. And I did find, I usually do a tight coiled bun, but last night I just kind of did a loose wrap, and I think I like the curl formation better from the loose wrap than I did even the tight curl formation. It'll give you a different look depending on how you put that in. And stay tuned. I'm hoping to do a video on that, a demonstration of how I wrap it and the initial takeout coming soon. So make sure if you're on YouTube, you subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, turn your notifications on if you want to catch that video. So we started with just the simple swerve, and that's what these are. This is the standard size, and they come in the 4 finishes: gold, silver, black nickel, and rose gold. And they are amazing. I've had ladies who refuse to wear anything in their hair come back and say they absolutely love these. Nurses especially, we just celebrated Nurse Appreciation Day, and this would be a great thank you if you know a nurse, and be sure and share this with someone that would appreciate this. But it really is a weightless all-day hold, and people are amazed with the swerve. So we started out with the basic, and I have all of those available. Then they started to come out, I'll show you a couple variations on very similar, but then we have the flat, which is kind of a shiny, and all 4 finishes, and then a hammered look as well. And it's just the outer edge that typically shows. Because they're curved, this part hides in your hair under a bun or a twist. And there are lots of tutorials I will share. If you're on YouTube, you can find my YouTube tutorial on, it was Swerve. I'll post it below on YouTube, and then on Facebook I will also post that tutorial. So many styles you can do with these though. So they evolved into that, and then they came out with these gorgeous beaded ones. Oh, and I will say those the standard swerve runs $12. Then they came out with these beaded ones. And let me just show you some of all the different ones. We have amethyst, the rainbow. This matches our Colors on Parade flexi, the peacock, and it's got those deep, dark jewel tones, purples, greens, and blues. Then we have, this is kind of our freestyle. It's in a rose gold finish, but it's one that just kind of goes with everything. A little bit. We have a freestyle flexi that coordinates with that. And we have ivy. That's just the different shades of green, and the sizes of the beading is a little different. And then we've got a mixed metals, which goes with everything. A little bit of gold, silver, copper, rose gold, all in that. So those are awesome bestsellers. And then I think 2 of my favorite, put those down, I don't know which one I wear more. I've got the pearl one, and if I can get that close enough, you can see there's clear beads mixed in with the pearls, and then we've got the turquoise variegated with the turquoise beading as well. I love both of those. I love turquoise. So those are the ones that we call our decorative swerves, and they are 19. I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep the prices. Just like we've added so many new ones, trying to keep the prices straight. So those are 19. The basic ones are 12. The decorative ones, like I just showed you, are 19. Let's see. Then we have, let's see. These are, I don't know how to describe them other than gorgeous. They're just a little more adornment with the silver and the rose gold. Now with the rose gold, it's just, there's kind of some clear beads in the center of like a couple of the flowers. And then the silver one has some turquoise gems. And then we've got the Adora Bow, which looks, at first I thought, oh, that's not going to be good for women. I love this in buns and twists. It is really, really pretty. And if you check out my Instagram page, you'll see that one a lot because I had no idea how much I would like that one. I just love it. Then we have, oh wait, I'm going to show more of those. The same pricing along with the turquoise tranquility, which matches, we have a flexi to match that, and then our posy. We also have flexis to match the posy in rose gold and gold. Now all of those that I just showed you, let me pull them back up again. Okay, those are going to be $23. Okay, so I will be posting pictures of my stock after this, and so you'll see what I have available. And I will tell you, if you shop 3 items, and it could be anything from, it could be flexis, hair bands, any of the hair sticks. If you purchase 3 items directly from me from my stock, I will give you my show special. Since we aren't able to do shows right now, I can still offer my show special, which is if you purchase 3 items, you get a simple swerve that can include the flat or the hammered as well for $5 instead of the $12. So that is an option as well. All right, then we get into our really fancy ones. I love these beaded ones. They are, let's see if you can see that close. The gems are just cut so pretty and they catch the light. This is our rainbow one. Then we've got one that's just the blue. And again, it looks stunning in hair. And then almost like a tiara with just the crystal beads, if you can see that. Just the clear beading. Now these will run, oh, and I've got one more to show you. Let's see, I want to double check the price. $29. And this one, speaking of tiara, look at that one. It's a little different than the simple one. It's a little more blingy, and it just catches the light so well. Stunning in the hair. That's a bestseller. These are sold out online, but I do have some, so if you're interested in that, you need to connect with me directly. And let's see, we have another one that's actually, I can never say it right, Swarovski crystals, and it's in purples. It's sold out right now, but it is beautiful. And that one is, I think, $38. Or is it 40? I think it's 38. Beautiful though, but that's out of stock right now, and I do not have that one at the moment, but I will get some when they return. Now we also have some, they came out with these more recently, and it's a small swerve, just to show you the price or the size comparison. Where is one? Oh, I lost them. Okay, so this is the standard size, and here's the small. This is actually what I put in my hair last night for a bun up toward the top of my head, so it doesn't interfere with my sleep, and it stays and it holds so well. So we have these in the 4 finishes as well. Let's see, let me pull those up. In the rose gold, gold, silver, and black nickel. So those are the small swerves. We call them baby swerves, but I love them. All right, and those are also great for like a half up bun or a half twist, or someone who has really super fine hair or thin hair, that they feel like they don't like this much of the swerve showing. The standard swerves will hold thin hair and fine hair, but sometimes the prongs will show, and if someone likes that to hide a little bit, they might be better off with one of the smaller ones. Now we also have for a very careful, I'm spinning, I've got my decorative rack. I should have showed you that before I took everything off, to show you some of the variety. But we also have what we call our acrylic swerves, and these run $9 a piece, or you can get a whole set when they're in stock. This particular set is out of stock right now, but we have the black, the light leopard print, and the darker leopard print. These are amazing, and again, size-wise, like here's the standard one, they're pretty much the same, and they hold really well. I love these. These obviously you can wear in the shower, although I will say I keep one of the standard swerves in the shower hanging to put my hair up once I get my conditioner in, while I finish my shower, and then take it out for that. So then, so we have these, and these are really popular right now. These are sold out online. I do have a few in stock myself, but hopefully they'll be back soon. But this is the Lizzie collection. And then we also have, I'll show you these three. These are in stock right now, and they're acrylic swerves as well, but we have the purple, and this is a kind of a coral pink. It kind of blends with whatever you put it with. I really like this one because I can wear it with pink and coral colors, and even orange. It just looks really nice. And then the pearlized one that kind of goes with everything as well. And then the purple, of course, wouldn't be Lilla Rose without the purple. So those are available online, and I have those in stock as well. Now, one of the last things I want to show you, oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry, I did kind of get off out of order. After we got the basic swerve, or did these come first? These might have actually come first. These are our large Upins. Now, they don't have as much curve as a swerve. They're slightly straighter, and you can see that they are significantly a little bit longer. So more of this, when you use these with a bun or twist, unless your hair is really full, really thick, the both ends are going to show. You're going to see the decorative end and probably a little bit of the prongs that come through on both sides, whether it's a twist or a bun. The swerves tend to hide because they are more curved. So, but we have these in all shapes and finishes, and some people really like the fact that they are longer. So we've got all kinds. I'll post those again. I'll post a picture. We've got, like, I don't know, 4 different kinds of circles. We've got these again, some in the hammered with the rounded. We have a square one. Where's the square one? I thought I had that. We've got the fox. I thought I grabbed one. Oh, there it is, in the black nickel. I really like the square one. So looks really cute in here. And again, check out my YouTube video on the Swerve and the large Upins. So, and lastly, the last thing that they come out with, I'm amazed that they can still continue to come out with something new that's amazing and works so well in our hair. These are the jeweled, for calling them up jewels, I guess, but they have different finishes. They're a little longer. They're about the length of the original Upins, so they pretty much are the same length, and they have a slight curve, but they're super strong, and they have this really pretty jewel at the top. And we've got 5 different colors. This is kind of like a mother of pearl clear. We've got black nickel with blue, silver with like an emerald. Love that one. This was kind of like a smoke with silver, slight brown tint to it. And then we have the rose gold with kind of an amber stone. And you can see how it just catches the light. They are so pretty. Again, great for twists, buns, even ponytails. I'll make sure I repost that video. Now, if you stay to the end, I told you I would have a great idea for Mother's Day. And any of these swerves, along with our bamboo hair towel and the rose water, or the sea salt spray. Both would be a super awesome Mother's Day gift. The sea salt spray is great for adding volume and getting some of that curl formation. So you can use this, just a little bit of this before you put your hair up, or I will often use the rose water to spritz my hair before I put it up in that twist before I go to bed. And the hair towel, if you have never tried the bamboo hair towels, I had some of the microfiber ones that I've used for years. And I thought, well, it's not going to be much different than the microfiber towels. This one is a bamboo hair towel with the fibers, I have been amazed at how much more water it does wick out of your hair. It's just healthier for your hair because your hair spends less time under the dryer. It pulls that moisture out without damaging your curl formation. If you're a curly girl and you use the t-shirt method, this would be a great option as well. It holds lots of hair, real simple to use, but that makes an awesome gift for mom, along with the sea salt spray or the rose water and one of the swerves. And if you purchase from me directly, that gets you your 3 items. You can get an additional swerve for yourself for $5. Or for someone else, if you're dropping hints at someone that you would like this for a Mother's Day gift for yourself. So it's not too late. Mother's Day is coming up rapidly. So if you're local, I can get it to you in time for Mother's Day, or it could be a slightly late but worth the wait kind of Mother's Day gift. So if you have any questions, be sure and let me know. Catch the YouTube tutorial. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure and subscribe if you'd like to see more and some more tutorials using these amazing swerves and large U-pins. And if you're on my Facebook page, check your notifications. Feel free to share this with a friend that you think might benefit and would love it. I am doing less shows now, actually no shows at the moment, because they have been canceled with everything going on. So, but I want to make my stock available to you and meet the needs and make your mornings a little bit easier. So if you have questions, let me know, and I hope to talk to you later. Bye.